In last few decades, we have seen many changes in the world of real estate exteriors. The city landscapes are changed with newly built high-rises, villas and bungalows. Architects and builders are in search of new technology, innovations to offer the best-looking exteriors to their clients and also ensure better ROI. The focus is on cost benefits, future-proof technologies and durability. With all-round development, Indian infrastructure industry needs to match global outlook and standards. Presenting Exterior, decorative exterior laminate panels, now manufactured and locally available for the first time in India. Bubbling with countless possibilities, Exterior is here to revolutionize the metropolitan landscape. A wide range of vibrant colors, eclectic patterns create an exterior wardrobe that oozes the class. Exterior grade laminates are resistant to extreme weather conditions like heavy rain, acid rain, hail and heat. It's also UV resistant. This revolutionary product is a high pressure laminate complying with EN 438-6 type EDF. Impact resistant, fire retardant AFR rating class 1, color stable, optimal light fastness, self-supportive, double hardened, scratch resistant, bending resistant, lightweight compared to any rocky product, suitable for all exterior applications. These can be used for residential buildings and commercial projects alike. The panels come with trouble-free maintenance due to smooth and easy-to-clean surfaces. It gives designers the freedom to experiment, as these can be combined with new technologies like LED lighting that can have a mesmerizing appeal. Just like our sense of fashion reflects our taste, building facades too are an expression of individual style. Exterior grade laminate has various kinds of usage: facade claddings, balcony claddings, ventilated facades, soffits, fences, rails and screens, roof cladding, pedestrian shelters, duct covering, louvers, signage, lettering, cladding members for gate, garage, kiosk, prefab huts. Available in a wide range of colors and patterns, solid and wood grain, Exterior lends an aesthetic appeal to building exteriors. Exterior is the most feasible long-term solution for embellishing new-age buildings and redesigning existing cladding renovation. Here is why. Consistency in the colors of our laminate panels, as well as the multiple shades of rivets used in the fixing applications to ensure a clean, uniform look for your exteriors. Exterior popularizes the concept of green buildings as it contains non-toxic colors which are free from heavy metals, as for example lead, cadmium, mercury, etc. The hardened resins used in the production process are also completely non-toxic, thereby lowering the emission of toxic gases and making products eco-friendly and future-safe. With a seamless network of 3 regional distribution centers and 28 branches, Century Ply assures smarter delivery and services when compared to the international brands. Thanks to the benefits of our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Kolkata and our well-planned sourcing of raw materials, our esteemed partners meet their project deadlines with ease. With a proven leadership in interior segment, Century Ply is all set to venture into exterior laminates, a stature of uncompromised quality and undisputed endurance. From the leader of the wood manufacturing industry, Century Ply lends its credibility to the brand Exterior.
India has always been renowned for the beauty of its art and the creativity of its people. Indian architecture, as we all know, has contributed significantly to us being able to establish this image for our country. The beauty of art stems from the fact that it is constantly changing and evolving. Through exterior, Century Ply hopes to provide yet another tool for us to beautify and glorify the structures of the future. Supported by excellence in service, our vision is to change the way you look at exteriors, presenting the world of exterior.
Welcome to the world of Century Ply Exterior, a vibrant new range of exterior designer laminate panels that promises to revolutionize home and office facades across India. Going beyond the world of interiors, we bring you the best of exterior solutions in a variety of designer shades and patterns.